How to install previous drivers and start using the older driver versions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can roll back or how you can downgrade to an older version of a driver. Now, before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your device manager. So search for device manager and open that up. After you've opened up your device manager, you can select the driver that you want. So I'll just head over to my display drivers, open that up. Now here, you'll need to head over to driver section right here. Now, if you see this rollback driver option available, what you can do is you can simply press on it and it will just roll back to a previously installed driver. And that will basically be the older version. So you can tap on that. So if this is not available, tap on update drivers. You can browse for your drivers on your computer. And from here, you can pick a list from your device. Now here you can select a older version. So here you can see this is an older version. Select that and tap on next and follow the prompt and that will roll back. Now if not, if that does not work for you as well, just note the this driver's date right here and you can go ahead and search for the driver's older version from the date right here and the version right here, and you can download an older version and then simply start using that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.